In front of me is Doogee X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher. After that, you need to get this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to set it up, choose while using and allow in the pop-ups. Then close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to access Apps section. Click on Default Apps. And finally, tap on Home app. In order to apply iOS Launcher, click on it. Tap on Got it. And as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can do that by accessing the same settings. In them, just tap on Quick Step Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!